So, hello, Chef Deepak.
Good morning.
Good morning. So earlier we were talking, and you said that food is not with passion. Food is not made with passion. It is made with an attitude. Why do you say so?
Uh, Actually, passion is totally different. Passion, when you travel, you taking a bike ride or you going somewhere else. That is called a passion. Food is never comes with the passion. Food has to be with the attitude. Attitude comes from inside
Attitude of
of making a food. Right. The food is that you can say that this is my food. This is my recipe. It's come with the attitude. That is more important to me. Being a chef, passion for me to generate and giving a lesson to a student, then create a passion. When you become a chef and creating a recipe comes with that.
what are the challenges do you think the field of culinary arts hold?
I must say, after COVID, it's totally different. The youngster, the colleges doesn't have as much as the seat is coming out. The student is not coming in the colleges. The challenge is the young people are not interested in the hospitality sector. So the challenge is to giving a little education into that, little information about the hospitality industry. It's very important from the school and the colleges. This message goes to the younger people, and the younger people are mostly into a YouTube channel. They're taking a recipe out of it,
Yeah.
and making a food, and the base is not as stronger that the old chefs has in the hotel industry.
So they just know what to put, when to put it, but they don't know why.
Why?
The why of it.
Why, and the ingredient knowledge.
Yeah.
So what they're doing is they're making a fusion food. So they're out of the basic food, the basic techniques, the basic ingredient knowledge. They're out of it, because since I was did my hotel management, the teachers giving me a lesson about the whole concept of a chef. So chef is totally different. That you're understanding all the levels, from collecting ingredients from a receiving area and keeping a storage in a walk-in area. Then how to use that ingredients in a different recipes.
Yeah.
That is more important.
सर somebody जो रोज किसी रेस्टोरेंट में, किसी होटल में, खुद के रेस्टोरेंट में जो शेफ हैं, जो रोज इस चीज को करते हैं, उनके लिए क्या चैलेंजेस आते हैं, लाइक मेंटल फटीग, या फिर दे आर आउट ऑफ रेसिपीज, न्यू रेसिपीज, बिकॉज इट इज how does one curate new recipes, how does one curate new dishes as a professional chef?
I rightly said the question is you putting me in that aura that sometime, yes, it's very difficult to create a new recipe. If your base is correct, you can create a recipe with any ingredients. So fatigue, I never say the fatigue to the chef creating a new recipe or a new menu, because they have their ingredients right in a right manner, and they create a new recipe out of it. So I never say any chef is coming in a fatigue situation.
And a very important question that I would like to ask is ki we can see a lot of food getting wasted on daily basis. How does a chef make sure to use the ingredients wisely and to make sure that the sustainability है कि ज्यादा फूड वेस्ट नहीं हो रहा है, बट येट द पीपल आर फेड, येट द टेस्ट इज मेंटेन्ड? शेफ की क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आती है उस रोल पे?
सबसे अच्छी बात आपने ये कही कि फूड वेस्ट जो हो रहा है इंडस्ट्री के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. तो हमारी इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने एक नॉर्म्स विद FSSAI के साथ क्रिएट किया है कि हर मेन्यू कार्ड के अंदर एक रेसिपी, जो एक खाने का एक डिश है, उसमें ग्रामेज लिखी हुई. तो ग्रामेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द सूप, हाउ मेनी ml, appetizer has a weight,
Okay.
the main course has a weight, and roti has a weight with the nutrition value.
Okay.
So we as a chef, we comes to the table, we give our information that this recipe is creating this much nutrition value, this much has this much weight into it. So if a table of 4, so this much quantity you can order it. If you want some more, we can make more. So we reduce that wastage out of it. And for sustainability in the hotel, we start creating the kitchen garden to maintaining that local touch, local vegetable in the premises. So we can say that this food is locally sourced with the organic nature, and we're putting in our
And also the wastage of the food can be used
use as a fertilizer.
fertilizer.
Yes.
So one last thing, how important it is, do you think, कि initiatives like this to train young minds into culinary arts helps an individual?
गिविंग मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन सबसे सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट यही है कि आप एजुकेशन को जितना आगे तक लेके जाएंगे, जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि किताबों के अंदर ज्ञान तब बढ़ता है जब आप किसी और को देते हैं।
जी।
तो ऐसे ही ये जो एजुकेशन फूड इंडस्ट्री की है, जब तक आप आगे लेके नहीं जाएंगे और लोगों को नहीं बताएंगे कि खाना खाना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, पर खाना बनाना उसका ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है।
जी।
और खाना बनाने के लिए आपको एक यंग शेफ्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है। तो यंग शेफ को जब तक हम क्रिएट नहीं करेंगे, जब तक हम उनके पास इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं देंगे कि शेफ एक कहते हैं ना कि इंजीनियर बन जा, डॉक्टर बन जा, आप एक लॉयर बन जाओ, पर हम जैसे ही बोलते हैं घर के अंदर या तू शेफ बन जा, तो वो अब धीरे धीरे चेंजेस होते जा रहे हैं इंडियन कल्चर के अंदर कि लोग अब शेफ बनना चाहते हैं और शेफ एक अच्छा शेफ बनना चाहते हैं, एक लेवल तक पहुंचना चाहते हैं कि वो इंडिया को कुछ देना चाहते हैं, इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहते हैं, होटल को रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहते हैं और अपनी फैमिली को भी रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहते हैं। मेरी ड्यूटी यही बनती है कि मैं एजुकेशन को आगे लेके जाऊं। हर स्कूल, हर एक इंस्टीट्यूट, IHM हो, होटल्स हो, मैं एक मैसेज दूं उनको कि शेफ एक प्राइड है, शेफ एक लेवल है। आने वाले टाइम के अंदर शेफ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करेंगे अपनी लाइफ में और डेफिनेटली ग्लोबली रिनोन करेंगे।
बिल्कुल। And I think this activities like this is an example, right example of पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया।
बिल्कुल।
So, sir, food जो होता है that has history to it, that has culture to it, that has stories to it, and with globalization and with the modern times, Indian cuisines have reached Western countries and it has invited a lot of tourists and it has been appreciated by people all over the globe. So what do you have to say on that?
For this, I must say that our food is always known for their richness. Richness means the royalty, the flavors, the aroma in Indian food. That is why it traveled to the world and it gave a message that India has a good culinary power.
Yeah.
So that collects to everyone and connects everyone in the world.
And how do you think food actually helps to connect two different cultures?
In that manner, I must say that few of our recipes are coming from the kebabs coming from Iran, the Persian style of cooking into our culture. Our curries goes to the Sri Lanka, our curries goes to Japan. Our style of cooking like tandoor is gone to everywhere.
Yeah.
So that connects to the world. That our food culture, the food skills travel to the world.
So before the actual culture reaches, food reaches there and sets the base.
Correct. Rightly said.
So thank you, sir. Thank you for your wisdom and thank you for being here.
It's my pleasure that you invited me in Heritage Girls School in Udaipur. It is my pleasure to everyone. I am very much honored by all the faculty members. Especially thanks to Mr. Shreyansh and Mr. Tushar who own this school. And this is a school where a young chef is coming out. So I thanks to everyone.
Thank you.